If Windows Update is stuck at 0% for almost hours, this video is for you. Mine took almost 24 hours to update. Let me show you how I fixed everything. First, confirm whether your Windows Update is stuck or not. Go to the search bar and type in Settings. Here up you will see Settings, System. You double click on it. After double clicking on it, you will see this bar. You go down here, Windows Update. You double click on it. You will see pending updates here. All updates that are on 0%. If you have it, let's fix it. Step 2. Restart Windows Update service. Press Windows button plus R on your keyboard. Then right there the word service. Or go to the search bar and type there the word service. You will see it here up. You double click on it, scroll down and look for background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. Here down you will see service status running and you click on stop. Then you click OK. Then you go down and look for Windows Update. You see Windows Update is here. You double click on it and you do the same thing. You stop it and you say OK. Then in the same bar, look for cryptographic service. You double click on it, look for service status, you click on stop and leave this window open. Step 3. Clear Windows Update cache. Press Windows button plus R on your keyboard. You will see this bar. Type there the word C/Windows/SoftwareDistribution. Then you press enter on keyboard. You will see this folder. These are temporary files which may corrupt your Windows Update. So what you have to do, delete all these files in this folder. Step 4. Restart Update Service. Go to the Windows search bar here. Type service again. Here up you will see service system. You double click on it. You scroll down and look for Windows Update first. As you scroll, you will see Windows Update here. You double click on it. This time you are going to click on Start. Even come here on Startup type and change it from manual to automatic. Then you click on Apply and OK. Again look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. It is here. Again you change it to Start and you look for Cryptographic Service. After seeing it, double click on it and you click on Start and then OK. Then restart your computer after doing this. For my case, after restarting my computer, Windows Update started update automatically. But if yours doesn't update, let's go to step 5. Step 5. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. This is how you can do it. Go to the search bar, type in Settings, double click on this, you see Settings, System. After reaching to this bar, scroll down, you will see Troubleshoot. Go to Other Troubleshooters, you will see Windows Update, then click on Run. Windows will automatically check for update errors, corrupted services, and missing update components. Step 6. Check disk space. If your local disk C is nearly full, updates may freeze. So make sure you have at least 25 to 30 GB space free. If you don't have that space, then clean temporary files on your disk C. There is a link of a video in the description. This will guide you how to free up your disk C and how to delete temporary files in your machine. Step 7. Restart Update again. Now go back to Settings on search bar and search. Go to Windows Update, then check for updates. In most cases, the update should begin downloading normally, automatically again. Now, the next time you have this issue, you know what to do. Clearing corrupted cache files, restarting Windows Update services, and repairing Windows Update components. If this guide helps you to fix the issue of Windows Update problem, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to System Fix Pro. I love you. Bye bye.